what's up guys, this is my channel Art of Chauhan Brothers. So guys, this is his first video on this channel, so guys please support my channel and like this video. So guys, today I will show you my two figures from the Dark Knight movie. So this is the Batman and this is the Joker. So guys, these figures are being so too cool, man, and the Joker is exactly cool and the Batman is so cool. This black color on his head and his golden bat looks cool, man. So guys, today I will show you some accessories that I made for these figures. So guys, get a closer look at all the accessories that I made for these figures. So guys, first I will show you the Batman accessories to you guys. This is the Bat Blaster. So guys, this is so cool. I paint some blue, and this is some painted black, and this is the holding hand. That Bat Blaster holding hand looks cool here. And guys, this Bat Blaster and this Batman hold this Bat Blaster, guys. So that's so cool thing. In this video I will show you. And this is the Batarang here. Looks so good, man, so good. This is Batarang, looks good. And this is the small Batarang, looks cool. I love this. And this is the bat, some hands that I made. I painted some black. And this is the some black. And I made another faceplate. This is the angry faceplate. And this is the smiling faceplate. I made two Batarangs for it. And then moving to Joker's accessories, like I made this gun, shotgun for my Joker, and this iron rod, and this knife. This knife here looks good. And then this is the note bundle. Looks good. This is the Bomb Blast remote. Remote looks cool. This is the very small gun here. Looks very good, man. And then this is very big blaster like machine gun here. Looks good. And this is the pistol here. Looks good, man. Pistol here looks good. And this holding here. And then the hands, that another hands for the uncoated Joker version, looks cool. And then the hands looks cool. And this chair, man, looks so cool here. Chair looks cool. And now I'll show you this pencil here. Pencil looks good. And I'll made this table for my Joker. So shining here. And I made some scratches on this thing. Nicely added lamp here. Nice chair. So guys, I will show you the head scopes of these figures, guys. So get a closer look at all the head scopes of this. Hey guys, so this is the head scope of this Batman. Looks so cool. This Batman head scope looks so cool, man. I love the spikes on his head. Looks so good. And the eyes look so cool. The depth of the eyes looks good, man, here. And then I will show you the faceplate that were changing, guys. So the faceplates looks good, man, here. The faceplate that I made for this Batman here. And then the Joker's head scope looks good, man. Joker's head scope looks good here, and the Joker's head scope looks good, man. Joker head scope looks good. Joker head scope looks very good, man. Joker looks very good. And I painted some red on his mouth black on his eyes, green on his hair. Looks good here, back and then side. Take this, very nice man, very nice. And then I'll show you by changing this Joker's coat, man. So I was changing. So guys, this is the Joker uncoated version that you can see. I removed the coat of the Joker, man. So good here. I removed the coat of the Joker, man, here. Good here, so good, man. This figure is so good. So good here. Then this back here looks good. His pants looks good. Shoes looks good. And then making to Batman here. This bat symbol looks so good. His belts looks good. Shoes looks good. His hands looks good. His gloves looks good. I like that both figures too much. And then I was add the Batman's gun to him, guys. So I show you that how you add the So guys, this is the Batman holding his gun on in his hands. So guys, this is looking so cool here. While holding his gun in his hands, looks so cool. Then it looks so good. So good, man. And then I will show you that the Joker sitting on. So guys, this is the Joker sitting on his chair, and this is the table, and I had made the system that the pencil with in this table, guys. So the Joker is being posable with this table sitting on his chair and this table, guys. This is the jail inquiry version that you can see, that very nice here. I was paint some brown on his hair, looks good. And this is so good. And you can see very nice scratches on this table. And the pencil was in this table, guys. That's so cool here. I like this Joker so much, guys. So guys, hey guys, so I'm the maker of this figure. So guys, this is my channel. So guys, please like, subscribe and my video, guys. So guys, please like, subscribe and support my channel, guys. And my name is Anas Khan. So guys, bye bye.